Welcome you all in this video. This is grammar exercise subject verb concord. Very important for grammar exercises. How to use verb. It means we use the verb according to the subject. This is general that when we use singular noun, singular verb is used, and when we use plural noun, plural verbs are used. But there are some other rules which we will know then. We will be an expert in English grammar. First of all, number. The basic principle of subject-verb agreement is that singular subject needs singular verbs, plural verbs need plural verbs. This is very common, as you know. Singular, the girl is playing, the girls are playing. The boy has gone to school, the boys have gone to school. He likes sweets, they like sweets. Now second is person. The rules regarding the person are as follows. As you know, there are three persons: first person, second person, third person. First person, singular or plural, takes a singular verb. As for example, I like this scenery, we like this scenery. The second person, or singular or plural, takes a singular verb. You like this scenery. The third person, he or she, he likes this scenery. The third person, plural, takes a plural verb. Uncountable noun. Student, do you know there are countable or uncountable verb? Countable, which we can count; uncountable, as the subject, as some noun which we are unable to count them. As for honesty, fear. Honesty is the best policy. Fear, इनके साथ हमेशा we will use singular form. Fear begins to haunt him. Now see singular and plural noun. When we use a singular noun as the subject of a verb, we use a singular verb. Plural nouns takes a plural verb. The moon was shining in the sky. The sun is about to set. The children के साथ plural, were swimming. The farmers were plowing. Now see, next rule is one of plus plural noun. When the subject consists of one of plural noun, the verb is singular. One of the girls, there are so many girls, and from them one of the girls was singing. Keep in your mind, it is very important, because generally we think girls, so we will use verb, but one, if there is one, then singular. Long subject. When a clause or a long group of words is the subject, we have to be careful to make the verb agree with the subject. The chairs which I bought yesterday are very costly. The chairs which I bought yesterday. Chairs के according here the subject is very long, which I bought yesterday. Chairs के according हमने लगाया are. The woman whom I met in the market was my friend's sister. Introductory, as you have done one exercise in class 6, there is, there are. The real verb has to agree with the real subject that follows the introductory there. If the subject is singular, then there will be followed by a singular verb. If the real subject is plural, then there will be followed by a plural verb. There is no chair. Chair के according आया no. Is. There are no chairs. Here is plural, so we will use plural verb. There are 50 boys according to boys. There is one girl. One girl is singular, so we will use singular verb. Two or more nouns. When two or more nouns function as subject, a plural verb is used. Satish and his sister. These are two, so we will use plural. My friend, his father are. Distance, weight, etc. For distance, weight, height or amount of money, we use a singular verb even when the subject is plural. 10,000 rupees is not a small sum. we use a singular verb. 10,000 rupees. 3 kilometers is 500 feet above sea level is not a great height. Now see plural names. The title of a book, the name of a house, a hotel in plural takes a singular verb. The Arabian Nights, as you know, this is the collection of the stories. Arabian Nights has interesting stories. The Hotel Brewers is a 5-star hotel. Plural nouns with singular meaning. Noun which are plural in form but singular in meaning usually takes a mathematics, economics, measles, news. Singular verb. Singular noun with plural verb. Some noun which appear to be singular in form take a plural verb. The police have arrested. The Indian cricket team won. Collective groups. Collective nouns like group, crowd, flock, regiment are generally followed by a singular verb. A group of boys was, a crowd of people rushes, a regiment of soldiers was. Class nouns which such as food, furniture, clothing is singular. Furniture is very old. This imported cutlery is very costly. Now some nouns which appear to be plural in form when preceded by a pair of, take a singular noun. जैसे a pair of scissors one है, a pair of trousers was, a pair of shoes was. But when these nouns are used without a pair of, they take a plural verb. His shoes have. Understand? Some nouns are preceded by a lot of, plenty of, great deal of. These nouns take a singular verb when they refer to amount or quantity, but they take a plural when they refer to number. A lot of people. Number के लिए we will use plural, otherwise singular. When a singular subject is joined by as well as, in addition to, etc. with another noun or pronoun, we use a singular noun. A singular verb is used with singular, as for example each, either, neither, anyone. Each of the boys was. When two or more subjects are connected by nor or or, the verb is used according to the number of noun nearest to it. Neither she or her sisters के according. Either they or he के according. A collective noun such as jury, committee, family, etc. takes a singular verb when it is considered one unit, but when they are regarded as individual, they take a plural verb. The jury are divided committee. So student, I think you are able to understand. Thank you.